Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. I am Jijo Vijayan from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. In this podcast, I want to teach you something very important. There are certain affiliate programs in the internet that will give you recurring revenue. That means you join the affiliate program and start promoting their products and services. And when you make a sale, the customer, when he pays every month, you will get a cut from that. For example, if you have 10 customers who bought a particular product, and when they buy the service they pay every month as subscription, so you will get something from 20% to 50% of what they pay. And this recurring revenue model is very good and very important. For example, you made 10 sales this month and the next month you are unable to make any sales, but you will keep getting money from the recurring revenue generated by the 10 clients you made this month. And that is the beauty of these particular affiliate programs. I have listed out 17 such affiliate programs that will give you recurring revenue, and I am going to tell you about these recurring affiliate programs. All the links of the recurring affiliate programs I have given below this video. You can join them. This is very good revenue model to promote, and I feel that you should take it very seriously while promoting affiliate programs. Give first priority to these recurring affiliate programs that will give you money every month. Here are the best recurring affiliate programs that I suggest you. There are 17 of them I have shortlisted from the internet, and I want to introduce them to you. The first recurring affiliate program that I want to introduce you is TubeBuddy. This is a YouTube management tool, and it will give you 50% revenue, recurring revenue. Second, there is something called Podia. Podia is an platform through which you can make a membership site and you can sell an online course. Podia will give you 30% recurring revenue. Then there is MailerLite. That is an email marketing tool that will give you 30% recurring revenue. Then there is teachable.com, through which you can start an online course and sell online courses. That will give you 30% recurring revenue. Then there is Kinsta, that is a WordPress hosting tool that will give you $50 to $500 per sign up. Then it will give you 10% recurring revenue lifetime. Then there is instapage.com, that is a landing page creator tool that will give you 50% for the first sale and 30% recurring revenue. Then there is Ninja Outreach, that will give you 20% recurring revenue. This is an influencer marketing platform and it is very popular. Then there is stencil.com, that will give you 30% recurring revenue. This is a graphic design tool for bloggers for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. It is very popular. Then there is shopify.com, that will give you 20% recurring revenue, and this is an online store builder that is very popular. There are thousands of people using Shopify for creating an online store. Then there is Elegant Themes, that is a WordPress theme that will give you 50% recurring revenue. Then there is GetResponse.com, that is an email marketing tool that will give you 33% recurring revenue. Then there is Aweber.com, that is an email marketing tool that will give you 30% recurring revenue. Aweber is very famous and it is used by thousands of people worldwide, and it is easy to market this particular product. Then there is socialpilot.com, that will give you 30% recurring revenue. This is a social media management tool where you can manage all your social media posts in one location. Then there is semrush.com, that will give you 40% commission, and the affiliate site of Semrush is bearish.com, that is used to help people in affiliate marketing. Then there is convertkit.com, that is an email autoresponder tool that will give you 30% recurring revenue. Then there is leadpages.com, that is a landing page creation tool that will give you 30% recurring revenue. Then there is livechat.com. That is a live chat tool that you can install in your website, and that will give you 20% recurring revenue. There are many more programs in the internet that will give you recurring revenue. You can search on that and find out. What I suggest you all personally is that when you start promoting affiliate programs in the internet, focus on that will give you recurring revenue, because you create a few clients and then for the rest of your life you will keep making money every month. That is the beauty of the recurring revenue model of affiliate programs. There are people making thousands of dollars every month without any effort, because they are focusing on recurring revenue affiliate programs and trying to get customers to the clients of these kinds of companies. I have given the links of all these companies below this video in the text. You can click on the links and you can go to their websites and join their affiliate programs. Hope you have enjoyed this podcast. I will be coming up with the next podcast very soon that will give you information regarding how to market your products and services and how to promote various affiliate programs. Through this podcast, my intention is to give you as much information as possible and to add value to yourself and to your intellect. Once you have proper information, sky is the limit. You can go to any extent and you can create revenue. My aim is to empower you and to make you earn money through various affiliate programs. That is why I am making a series of podcasts, and with the limited knowledge I am having, I am trying to share my knowledge with each and every one of you from across the globe. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell button to get regular updates. Watch this video till end so that you will keep getting benefits, and share this video link to as many people as possible. Other videos are also there in this YouTube channel. You can hear that and you can share the video with as many people as possible, so that I want people from all over the world to hear what I say and implement the same, so that you will start making an income sitting from the comfort of your home. I wish that you also make thousands of dollars every month by affiliate program marketing and change your life forever through my podcast. Thank you very much. This is Jijo Vijayan from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. I will soon come up with another podcast. Jai Hind.